Midnight Mod Garage, intro, take 2.
What's up guys, welcome to another episode of the Midnight Mod Garage.
So today what we're going to be doing is installing a muffler to lead on the Golf R, removing the stock muffler all the way back through the resonator to the midpipe, and putting on something we threw together. We hope you enjoy it and we hope it's informative. All right guys, so real quick, you've got the exhaust flap wiring harness. It's under here. I honestly, if you can reach your fingers back and undo it, great. Otherwise, I wait till I drop the back muffler section and then I take those off. So real quick for swapping this out, you've got one hanger here. You have another hanger on the opposite side. You've got a mid hanger right here. And then you have this cross brace that needs to come out and those two bolts right there. And then the rest of it drops and slides off. So here we go. Alright, so now that we have the exhaust off, you'll notice that I unscrewed these from the frame as opposed to using the exhaust hanger tool. And that's because it's a lot easier to unscrew it. Now that we have it off, we can go ahead and use this tool and push these off. And you will notice there's a big lip on this, which is why it's a lot easier to do it once it's off the car. And now we can just slide them into place. And then with the help of an extra set of hands, hold it in place and screw it on.
Midnight Mod Garage, outro, take 2.
Alright guys, so that's it for this episode of the Midnight Mod Garage. We got sound bites and audio clips, entire video of inside and outside of the car footage of the stock exhaust versus the custom ones. Click on the link below.
And again guys, like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your comments and we'll see you again soon.